be like a waste of time and money. Reason right now, I feel really goofy right now. You need to get you some earphones, okay? Okay. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This was supposed to be a day in my life video, but I kinda don't feel like doing anything, but I just wanted to do a video. Today is Mother's Day and I don't know what we're gonna do today, so I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can, but if not, then I will tomorrow. My sister and my nephew came over. So yeah, my sister and my nephew came over. So yep, I guess that's what's going on today. I was gonna get some myself. So I just woke up like 3 hours ago. I'm probably not gonna do much today. I'm probably just gonna do a video, edit a video, and upload a video for Instagram, and that's so right now I'm editing this video, and then I'm gonna edit the video that I did today later or tomorrow. Right now I'm editing like this day in my life video or weekend in my life video, and like I'm thinking if I should not do this video because like I don't be doing that. These videos are boring, but let me know in the comment section if you guys like these videos and I will keep doing them. But yeah, I will update you guys if I do something else. Right now I'm like finna get ready and stuff. So I just got done doing a work review video, and now I'm gonna take off this makeup and edit the video. And yep, so one of my packages is supposed to come today, and it's like 3 outfits, and they're supposed to come today. They were supposed to come Tuesday or Monday. They were supposed to come Monday and they didn't come. So they said that it was supposed to come Friday, and I checked the mail. It's like 2 o'clock, like probably like 2:20 something, and it's still not down there. So sooner or later, hopefully they will deliver it today. If not, then I'm gonna be mad because I really wanted that. It'd be like a waste of time and money. So just got done editing the video. It's the work review video. By the time you guys see that video, it should already be up. By the time you guys see this video, it is May 15th, Friday, and I will be uploading this like May, like sometime at the end of May, like the last week of May. May 15th and 16th and 17th, I was supposed to upload like 3 videos, but I was getting stressed out and stuff, and things wasn't really going how I planned it, so I just took a whole week off. But I will be uploading next week, which is last week by the time you guys see this video. So yep, I will be uploading 3 videos next week. So yep, and those 3 videos should be up by the time you guys see this video. This little weekend in my life is it's going pretty like messy. It's like out of order because I'm like days behind, but ain't no telling what the future will bring, so that's why I'm doing it sooner. So yep, that's all I wanted to say, and I will see you guys. This is either a weekend in my life or a week in my life, but yep, I will see you guys at the end of May. Well, I will see you guys the next day. So it's really hot outside. It was real hot earlier and stuff. Like, it took me forever to like go to sleep and stuff, but yeah, it been hot all day basically, and it started raining like at 4 something, 4:30 ish something, and I got the fan in my room finally. Yeah, I'm really hot and stuff. I thought I was tripping at first, but it's really hot in here. So yeah. And by the way, my clothes still didn't come in the mail yet, so yeah. I don't know. I'm just forget about it. I don't know. So right now is later on in the day, and um earlier I got done like editing half of this video, this week in my life video, and right now I'm in the middle of editing um the wig review video, and for some reason right now I feel really goofy right now, like real hype and full energy and goofy and stuff, and I'm loving it. No, look a mess right now, but I don't know. I ain't going nowhere. I ain't doing nothing. Just making a video, trying to put out content. But yeah, I just wanted to check back in with you guys because usually it be a day in my life and I don't be doing much and just be saying what I'm doing and don't be doing much. But yeah. And I know my lips look dry right now, but it was. I know sometimes my videos be like low, like the volume be low, or it seemed like I be talking low, but I try to speak louder, but I don't know. I will try to speak louder. Who doesn't watch YouTube videos without earphones though? Like, if you don't watch YouTube videos with earphones, you need to get you some earphones, okay? Okay. Today is Thursday, May 21st. Just got done editing Sunday's video. It should already be up, so go check that video out. Like 4 o'clock, 4:30 something, getting dressed or anything. So I just stayed in my night. But yeah, I'm not really doing much today. Just chilling, editing videos. Nice day outside. I went outside yesterday and I just went on the porch. I'm probably gonna go back out there later. It was like my chill day off day. I will update you guys if I do something else, but right now it's pretty warm and nice outside, so I'm gonna come out here for a little bit and chill and listen to music and probably talk to my best friend. So yep, I will see you guys later. Hey you guys, today is Friday, May 22nd, and right now me and my mom are going to the store. We are walking to the store. Okay you guys, so we are walking back home, and I will see you guys when we get back home. So I just got back home and right now I'm finna work out and do my little workout routine. just got done working out and I took a shower. Now I'm about to take some pictures. So this is what I'm wearing. It's just a little crop top off the shoulder t-shirt. These blue jeans that I got from Walmart. So I just got done taking pictures and I'm about to put up these curtains that I got from Dollar General. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little week in my life. Enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't too boring, but if you like this video, leave a like down below, leave a comment and share this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.